Good day, Madam and Sir. May I introduce myself? I'm Emily Braga Eliana, 41 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. My body weight is 60 kg. My body height is 156 centimeter. I came from Baludumangas, Iloilo. I am married with two children. My eldest daughter is 17 years old, and my youngest is 10 years old. I have a local experience as a maid or yaya, nanny, with 2 years. I've been working experience in abroad also in Singapore for almost 3 years, and my as a domestic helper. The house is two-story with 4 rooms and 5 toilets, and my main duty is to look after the children ages 13 years old and one adult 18, and I do cooking if my colleague is not around or in vacation in the Philippines. I also do ironing the clothes, cleaning the house, gardening, and also take care of dogs. The main reason I go to abroad to support my family needs and send the kids in school, and my immediate plan to work in abroad is 2 years or more, and hope that you will select me as a helper. Thank you, sir and madam. Hope to see you soon.